Welcome to the fascinating world of mini succulent terrariums. Succulents are perfect for plant enthusiasts due to their low-maintenance nature and unique aesthetic appeal. These miniature gardens bring a touch of nature into any space, making them ideal for indoor decor. In this video, we will delve into why succulent terrariums are so popular among plant lovers and how they can easily brighten up your living or work environment. Get ready to learn how to create your own mini succulent terrarium and enjoy the benefits of bringing a piece of nature indoors. When it comes to creating a mini succulent terrarium, selecting the right container is crucial. There are various types of containers available, such as glass jars, ceramic pots, or wooden boxes, each offering a unique charm to your mini garden. Choosing the perfect container depends on factors like drainage, size, and aesthetic preferences. The container you select will not only showcase your succulents but also affect their growth and overall appearance. Join us as we explore the world of containers suitable for mini succulent terrariums and discover how to pick the ideal one for your miniature garden. Choosing the perfect succulents for your terrarium is essential for the success of your mini garden. It's important to select succulent plants that thrive in a closed environment with minimal airflow. Opt for varieties like Echeveria, Haworthia, and sedum that are well suited for terrarium conditions. Consider factors such as growth habits, water requirements, and light preferences when deciding on the best succulents for your terrarium. Join us as we explore the world of succulent plants and learn how to create a thriving mini succulent garden that will bring joy and greenery into your space. Assembling your mini succulent terrarium involves a step-by-step process that is both creative and rewarding. Begin by layering the soil in your container, ensuring proper drainage for the succulents. Next, carefully plant the selected succulents, considering their size and spacing for optimal growth. Finally, add decorative elements like pebbles, moss, or miniature figurines to enhance the visual appeal of your terrarium. Join us as we guide you through the art of creating a mini succulent terrarium, from soil preparation to adding the finishing touches that will make your mini garden a standout piece in your home or office. Caring for your mini succulent terrarium is key to ensuring the longevity and beauty of your mini garden. Learn essential tips on watering your succulents, as overwatering can be detrimental to their health. Understand the sunlight requirements of different succulent varieties to provide them with the ideal growing conditions. Regular maintenance, such as removing dead leaves and ensuring proper airflow, is crucial for keeping your mini garden thriving. Join us as we explore the best practices for caring for your mini succulent terrarium and discover how to create a flourishing indoor oasis that will bring joy and greenery into your space.